What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the Super Z. It's been a minute since last time I spoke about this project, but it's still up and running, okay? So essentially Super Z, it's a platform where it offers you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 plans, and each plan has a minimum maximum investment. So all you gotta do, just click on the one and you'll be able to see all the details right there, okay? And the plan that I'm rolling with is this one right here, the quantum yield. So I deposit 200 bucks. So that means the total profits once the plan expires will be 200% and the principal will be returned. The minimum withdrawal is going to be $5 and I will be earning from Monday to Friday only. Okay, so daily for 10 working days. Scrolling all the way down, you can find more information about this protocol and we can see the latest transactions, so latest deposits. So if you scroll, you can see all the deposits. If you click over here, where is it, the link? There was a link where you click and you can see it, and you can see the latest withdrawals as well. You can see, you can check, we'll take you to the blockchain, you can find information about it. Okay, so let's go over to, this is going to be just a quick video. Let's go over to my account. And this is my account right here. And let me show you the dashboard. So 200 bucks right there. Okay, total deposit right there. And I completely forgot about this protocol. And yeah, still up and running. And I realized that I got 36 bucks to withdraw. Okay, right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I am going to withdraw. So prior to withdraw, you gotta add your address. Okay, so make sure you add your address, and then once your address is added, then you are good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna withdraw TRC20. Okay, and let me just go over to my address. Is it here? Mm, edit account, payment details. And yes, my address is right there, Tether TRC20. Okay, make sure you add your address right there, click update, and will be it. And then you come over here to withdraw right there. So select the payment. So Tether TRC20. So we're gonna hit withdraw. We're gonna hit select the amount that we want to withdraw. And you can say pay me. And that's it. Now, is it going to ask for the confirmation? So tell the TRC20, our wallet address, the amount that we want to withdraw, no fees. So credit amount is going to be 30 bucks, 36 bucks, and the note is pay me. All right, so we're going to click confirm. And yeah, that's it. So now, as you can see right here, the balance, the account balance is gone. And now we can see the pending withdrawal. So once the withdrawal goes through, I will screenshot and post it on my TG group. That being said, guys, if you want to join this protocol, link's going to be down in the description. It's a referral link. If you join under my referral link, much appreciated. If not, it's okay anyway. I'm just here to show you my gambling moves. Okay, that being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.